I came across this on Twitter. So basically, this person called Bastien, he's a French acrobat and he's developed a machine that mimics the moon's gravity. And as you can see in the video, it this looks pretty cool. And personally, like I would love to have this machine. I've always like been a sports person, but flipping, like backflips and somersaults, is something I've never really done, and I've always wanted to do it. And this with this machine, you could actually do those things. Uh, and I'm sure the science part of it is cool as well because it mimics the moon's gravity. So whatever the other side is doing, like the balancing the weights, I'm sure that's pretty scientific and cool as well. All the calculations that went into it. So overall, this was something I wanted to share. I think it's like I haven't seen something like this before.